In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your customer list in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to optimize its features, understanding how to manage your customer list is crucial for maintaining streamlined business operations. Let's get started. First, if you haven't created an account with QuickBooks Online, you'll need to sign up. Head over to the QuickBooks website by following the link in the description. Once you're on the site, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process. Now, if you already have an account set up, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials and access the QuickBooks dashboard. Once logged in, you might need to choose the specific company file you wish to work with. This is especially important if you manage multiple businesses through QuickBooks. Look for the Choose the Company File option and select the appropriate file. With the correct company file open, navigate to QuickBooks and locate the Customer Hub. You'll find this option on the dashboard under your navigation menu. When in the Customer Hub, click on Customers. Here you'll be able to view and manage your entire customer list. If you're trying to locate a specific customer, make use of the search box at the top. You can search by customer name, company, or email to quickly find who you're looking for. Additionally, filtering options are available, allowing you to sort customers by different criteria, such as active or inactive status. For updating customer information, simply click on a customer's name to open their profile. You can edit details like contact information, billing address, payment terms, and even record notes. Once changes have been made, don't forget to click Save to ensure your updates are stored. Sometimes it's necessary to make a customer inactive without deleting their data. To do this, find the small drop-down arrow next to the customer's name in the list and select Make Inactive. Should you need to reactivate them later, select Include Inactive from the filters and choose Make Active. For those of you who handle projects or related sub-accounts, QuickBooks allows you to create sub-customers. Click New Customer and check the Is Sub-Customer option. This feature helps in organizing related customer accounts under a primary customer. Now let's tackle what happens if you have duplicate customers. Merging them is easy. Simply edit one of the customer names to match exactly with another. QuickBooks will then prompt you to confirm the merge, which consolidates their records under a single profile. Finally, for exporting or printing your customer list, locate the export icon at the top right of the customer list. This allows you to export the list to Excel, which can be handy for backups or offline work. If you prefer a hard copy, you can print a PDF of the customer list. By following these steps, you'll effectively manage your customer list in QuickBooks, ensuring that your customer data is organized, up to date, and easily accessible whenever you need it.